On my previous video, Bluefire had asked me whether I can control a game using image processing. Well, it looks challenging, but let us find out. First thing was to have a plan on how will it be working. So I will be detecting an object or color on the screen, and based on its position I will bind the keys. And we will be testing it on the Need for Speed Most Wanted. Therefore, I started by detecting the object or color, for which I had to access my webcam. Once the webcam was accessed, it was time to detect the object or color. I created a mask of the object to be detected, aka finding the region where only that object or color can be detected. Then I had to find the points or contours for the object to find its position on the screen. After finding the position, I divided the screen into different areas just for the reference and used the Auto GUI library, which allows to do the simulation of key press, which was what I needed. After mapping all the keys, it was time to test it out. So I used the notepad to find out whether the key is pressed whenever the object was detected, which was working. And guess what? I accidentally made an air keyboard. But that is not what I wanted. After doing a bit of Google search, I found that most of the games use direct input and also found the solution. After doing a bit of remapping, it was time to test it again, and this time it worked. But it was accelerating on its own, or I can say it was basically not responding. Great. So whenever the object is not detected, it should release the key which was pressed. Once that was done, I followed the same topology for left, right, brake or reverse, which altogether provided a decent output. And with all these, I was able to do some decent stuff. That is, I can go forward, can come back or reverse. Take a right turn. Take a left turn. Well, the drawback was that I was getting drop-in frames, which provided a delay in input to the game, which is not acceptable. And the conclusion is that we can control the game using image processing, and we can also entirely automate the game, which is a topic for a future video.